I'm literally all smiles and giggles right now because it is my 23rd birthday. Today I'm 23. Today, February 26, 2022, Queen was born. Well, wasn't born. I was born in 99, but y'all get the whole idea. So don't have much planned for the morning. A very chill kind of morning, which is fine by me. Cause y'all, Mia was here last night doing my hair, and can we just talk about how my little sister literally snaps every time? Get you a little sister like mine who, y'all, like, real talk, get you a little sister like mine. Cause she freaked the fuck out of this motherfucking wig. Like, that's like the only way I can describe it. But no, happy birthday to me. It's my birthday, literally. Like, I'm my Jordan year. But anyways, let me show y'all what my mama got me. I know y'all like the balloon is like half cut out, but like my mom is literally so cute, y'all. Like, says happy birthday, love mom. Like, aw, happy 23rd to me. My mom is literally the sweetest person in the whole entire world. But I'm just here to say good morning. Welcome to my 23rd birthday vlog. Right now, I'm about to eat some breakfast. I'm going to open my birthday cards. I'm going to say thank you to a couple of people. And let me just say it now. Thank you to everybody who literally is saying happy birthday and taking the time out of their day to say it. It's very much appreciative because I know later today I'm going to get to a point where I can't answer to everybody. So, yeah, thank you now in advance. I will see y'all when I check in to my hotel later. What is up, you guys? It is like 6:30, I think, right now. 6:25, something like that. I finally checked to the hotel. I am in my room. I got Starbucks because I'm literally running on like 3 hours of sleep. I don't know if I said it already in the beginning, but Mia did my hair last night and literally stayed at my house till 6 o'clock in the morning. So and I went to bed at like 6 o'clock and woke up at 9. So I am running on like 3 hours of sleep. So we'll see how drunk bowling goes. But here, let me show y'all the hotel room. So we're gonna start in here, a quick little hotel room tour. Got, shower head, toilet, paper towels, dirty sink, don't mind it. Hi, but it's me, happy birthday to me. You're paying attention to me. And then, front door. And then we have a little room, kind of already put all my stuff out. You feel me? Trying to little sneak peek of the fit. Anyways, I'm super excited though. I feel like today is literally going to be the best birthday that I've had in a really long time. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna say it now because my mama always be watching my YouTube videos. So, mommy, thank you so much for having me because on this day in 99, you had literally the motherfucking queen. So, thank you. I'm literally so blessed to see 23 living in Iraq. For those who get it, get it. For those who don't. Yeah. So, guys, this lighting though, can we talk about it? Because my bitch look good, okay? And repping the Cubs as always. But yeah, I don't know. I'm so geeked and I'm so like giddy and so like, like it's my birthday. Like, guys, I literally can't stop smiling. I've had such like a great start to my birthday though today. So we gonna see. And I really like recording off of my 11 Pro Max. I just went and got my camera and everything cleaned and like all that other stuff. So shout out to AppleCare because you the motherfucking bomb.com be really holding it down for a girl when she needs y'all. But once people start getting here, I'll pick up the camera and start recording again. So I'll see y'all when my friends get here. It's birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hold on. Freeze. Cause it's my birthday. 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 I'll play all day. We made it to the bowling alley, but I'm already drunk and I forgot that I'm vlogging. Kids, don't try this shit at home. Hey, cause I'm vlogging. I need some ketchup. For Karina. What the fuck is she eating? A burger. I now get a strike. We want a strike. You gotta do a strike for the vlog. If you can't get a strike, then your ass is weak. YouTube wants a strike. Oh, it's a gutter. Happy birthday to me. Cheers. Let me show y'all how you juice to me then. YouTube, you didn't see none of that. One more time. One more time. Come on, Cheryl. There you go. That's not how you got forward. Right. Because I'm that bitch. Now you at 23. I was unaware now, girl. You was before my busted. Blame it on the booze. Scotch feel loose. Blame it on the Tron. Scotch feel soft. Blame it on the alcohol. Good morning, guys. It's literally the next day. I'm like loopy-loo lost. But yeah, this was a really short birthday vlog. Only because at that point after the bowling alley, I was just too drunk to remember to start recording. But yeah, it's the next day. It's literally like 10:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to check out. But hold on, let me set y'all up really quick so I can talk to the camera for real. Okay, don't mind the bleach stain. And this is an old ass shirt. I don't even work here anymore. So yeah, back to what I was saying in the last slide. By that last clip that y'all watched, I literally was just way too drunk at that point after that. So I just forgot to pick up my phone and continue vlogging. So I'll just give y'all like a little story time rundown of what happened after that. After the bowling alley, we came back here, drank a little bit more. And then I went to a party because I got a friend whose birthday is the day before mine, so they were throwing a party for him yesterday, today, whatever. It's still my birthday. I never cared. So yeah, so we ended up going to that for a little bit or whatever. And then honestly, I came back here and real life passed out, went to bed. I had literally one of the best birthdays in a really long time. Like, guys, last year, my birthday around this time was not very good. That's a story for another time. But I had a really shitty birthday last year, and I just want to say that the people who came through for me today, yesterday, I like appreciate y'all literally like to the max, like so much. Like, y'all really made like this birthday like really special. Like, I had a great 23rd birthday. So yeah, I'm 23. I want to thank God, literally, because none of this really wouldn't be possible without him. I lived to literally see 23, and I can't wait to live to see many other more ages. I hope 23 brings me nothing but real love, more money, and yeah, just keep being the bad bitch that I am, because I'm a bad bitch. And that's all that matters. As long as I know I'm a bad bitch, then that's all that really matters. I could give a fuck less what anybody else thinks, but no, yeah, this has literally been one of the greatest birthdays I've had, like, in a really, really long time. Like, as y'all could tell, like, I'm just in here cheesing, thinking about it. But the party not over, though. Like, I'm partying all week long. That's what they don't understand. Like, all week long, I'm out. I'm, like, grown. I'm grown now. But no, for real, though, this has been a really humbling birthday. This birthday, like, made me, I don't know. It's weird. I don't really know how to explain it. But yeah. Y'all, I'm 23. This shit's crazy. I don't know. If you would have asked me, if you real life would have asked me, like, oh, where do you see yourself at 23? To be honest, I wouldn't even have imagined it'd be here. So, hey, literally never say never. I don't know. I'm like tired, but I'm up. I want to drink a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little snippet of how my birthday went down. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And like always, be kind to one another. And I'll see y'all in my next video.